The gold chain is an elegant and marvelous accessory. Its shine is incredible. This chain is one of the most expensive in the world. It weighs 1 kilogram and is 24 carats. How is a giant 1 kilogram gold chain made? Stay until the end because in this video, we explain how one of the most expensive gold chains in the world is made. This information is worth millions. Jewelry lovers know that not all pieces are the same. The Cuban gold chain is a variation of hip-hop styles that rose to fame in the 1970s, earning its Latin-inspired name because it was popular within the Cuban enclaves of Miami. This star-approved jewel has always been a part of the conversation among designers and exploded in popularity around 2012. Creating the gold chain is a complex and interesting process. It all starts with melting gold, which can be recycled from other old jewelry. By adding these metals, 24-karat gold is produced. The mixture is melted with a blowtorch at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. The molten alloy is poured into a mold, resulting in a golden bar. Subsequently, it is cooled in a bucket of water. After cooling, the bar goes through a rolling mill. The bar is stretched with a rolling machine to reduce its size. The tradesmen roll the rod into a coil and apply heat with the blowtorch. Then, it is passed through a machine that stretches the rod to the appropriate diameter. A drill is used to wind the rod into a metal tube, and heat is applied with the blowtorch. Once heated, the metal tube is removed and the rings are cut with a circular saw. They are heated with the blowtorch in a pan and cleaned with water to remove residues. A polishing liquid is used to enhance the shine of the rings, which are then dried by hand with a cloth. Subsequently, the rings are joined with pliers and the joints are closed. Soldering liquid is applied to each joint. To solder, small pieces of gold are used, and the joints are released to fix each ring to the chain. Then, the chain is heated and placed in a machine that provides tension and rolls it to shape it. It is reheated to red hot and cooled with water. The chain is then adjusted with a wrench. Now, the chain goes through a press, and polishing liquid is reapplied until it is shiny. The chain is then stretched over a wooden board. A resin mixed with alcohol is used as glue to fix the chain to the board, and each side of the chain is filed to flatten the links. The chain is removed and placed in hot water to eliminate the resin. Finally, the chain and the clasp are polished. The chain is opened to place the clasp. To maximize the shine, the chain is dipped in a 24-karat gold-plated solution, adding a brighter golden color to the final chain. Then, air pressure is applied and the gold chain goes through an electrolytic bath. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to keep learning. Enjoy.